Ahead of the cabinet rejig in Rajasthan, all ministers of the Congress-led Gehlot government have tendered in their resignations. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot accepted the resignation of his ministers during a meeting at his residence. The swearing-in ceremony of the new ministers is expected to take place at 4 p.m. on Sunday. Speculations are rife on who all could possibly get a berth in the new cabinet. Chief Minister Gehlot has said that the final decision will be taken by the party High Command. The cabinet rejig is likely to see inclusion of ministers from Sachin Pilot's camp. Apart from them, BSP MLAs and other independent MLAs are likely to be given ministerial berths in Gehlot's new cabinet.
मुख्यमंत्री अशोक गहलोत जी की अध्यक्षता में आज कैबिनेट की मीटिंग हुई। डोटासरा जी ने इस्तीफे का प्रस्ताव रखा और पार्टी नेतृत्व के नाम पर सब मंत्रियों ने इस्तीफा दे दिया। कल 2 बजे पीसीसी जाएंगे हम सब लोग और सब लोग वहां जाकर और वहां से जो जानकारी है उसके बाद वहां पर जो प्रोग्राम होगा अशोक गहलोत जी रहेंगे। उसके बाद कहाँ जाएंगे, गवर्नर हाउस आएंगे, शपथ होगी, क्या प्रोग्राम है, ये सब प्रोग्राम अब डिसाइड करेंगे मुख्यमंत्री अशोक गहलोत जी माकड़ साहब।
Right, so there is likely to be a new swearing in of the cabinet in Rajasthan tomorrow at about 4 p.m. But ahead of that, all MLAs are going to go to the state party headquarters in Jaipur at 2 p.m. Ashok Gehlot has said that the final decision as to who will be inducted into the new cabinet in Rajasthan lies with the party high command. All ministers in Ashok Gehlot's government have already tendered in their resignations. Earlier, there were reports of only 3 of them having tendered in their resignations. Later this evening, there was a meeting at Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's residence and all ministers have now tendered in their resignations. And what we're hearing also is that those MLAs who are part of former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot's camp could also be inducted into the new cabinet of Ashok Gehlot. Some BSP MLAs and independent MLAs could also be part of that new look cabinet of the Ashok Gehlot government. That is likely to happen tomorrow. There could be a swearing-in ceremony at about 4 p.m. but ahead of that at about 2 p.m. all MLAs of the Congress party and those likely to be inducted from the BSP and others could possibly reach the Congress State Party headquarters. Devankur, my colleague, is now joining me live from Jaipur on this. Dev, who all are likely to make the cut as far as this new cabinet of Ashok Gehlot is concerned?
Well, there are several names which have been doing the rounds. Follow me. Some of them are from the pilot camp. They include Brajendra Ola, Dipendra Shekhawat, Ved Prakash Solanki, and then there are some other people who Ashok Gehlot wants to bring in. Those people belong to either the independents or the BSP camp. Remember those MLAs who left the BSP and joined Congress at a crucial time last year when the Congress government in Rajasthan was in turmoil. Ashok Gehlot wants to reward those people also. So at least 2 names out of those people, including Rajendra Guda, can make the cut for the rejig in Ashok Gehlot cabinet. Remember, Ashok Gehlot has asked for his resignation of all the cabinet ministers. All of them have submitted their resignation at the cabinet meet at Ashok Gehlot's official residence. And tomorrow at 2 p.m. these MLAs can meet at the PCC office and thereafter they can proceed to the Raj Bhavan where the oath-taking ceremony can take place. Follow me?
Right. Dev, thank you so much for all of those details. We'll of course keep coming back to you tomorrow, especially when that rejig is likely to happen.